Market update on the 21st. So here's the structure we're seeing right now on the 1 hour chart. We're seeing a 5-wave move on the 1 hour chart. If you go to the 4 hour chart, the structure is not impulsive. This is not an impulsive move, even though it looks kind of impulsive. We're still in between the parallel lines. Excuse me. And we need to get outside of the parallel lines in order for it to be impulsive. And so this ABC pattern on 4 hour chart, I'm not even really using it. The 1 hour you can see more clearly. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you know what? I think we're almost finished with this move. And like I said yesterday, most people probably are having the mindset that we will stay pretty elevated into tech earnings. That's not guaranteed though. We could sell off into tech earnings and then like it could go something like this. We could get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe get up to $402 tomorrow. And then we get something like this where we go down to 386 or something like that, and then we bounce on tech earnings, and then we, after tech earnings and after Powell talks, we go straight down. So just to kind of be aware of where we're at in the chart. We're getting close to the top of the range, and so you got to be on your toes with any stock you're in and just know that at any time we could start this. It's on a 5th wave, so at any time we could get a drop and it would be valid. I think we'll probably come close to the top of this, but I don't know for sure tomorrow. It's already dropping after hours. So this is the most likely scenario. If there's 4 hour, the 4 hour chart just really isn't really helping me out that much. Even on the daily chart, you don't see any red bars. So I'm going to stick with the 1 hour and just use my parallel lines to guide where we're at, and we're definitely at the top of the range. So keep an eye out on any growth stocks you have, because you know when those start selling off, when the market starts going down and the dollar starts getting stronger, then you get no bounces and you get like 10% down days with no bounces, and it goes down farther. I mean, you guys all remember, 5 months out of this year so far of just straight pain if you're in any of the stock, any stock basically, unless you're in like oil stocks. So be a lookout for the top of the range. If we go over here to the VIX, that's another thing to look out for. Is I drew this a while back, and again we're at the bottom of the range. Like it can hit 22 and maybe extend farther, but probably not. Let's say we hit 22 tomorrow, then we're gonna hit the bottom of the range on the VIX too. And then we all know what is most likely coming in the VIX. We're probably gonna get a spike, a crazy spike up here. And I've been saying that for months now. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and it looks like A, B, C. If we do the 1.61 fib right here, you'll see it's at 47. So the VIX is showing it's getting ready to take off, in my opinion. SPY is getting ready to top out. The dollar has already consolidated for a 4th wave. Let's go to the weekly chart. Still can't see it on the weekly chart. Daily chart. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. My target was 106.27. So maybe if we zoom in here a little bit, we can see. I know this was the A wave and this is the B wave, and so maybe we get one more move down here to like 106.27, maybe a little bit lower. But this is already almost a 50% retracement, so it might just come down here. And it's after hours going down a little bit. Maybe it comes down a little bit farther, and then we start our 5th wave, which will be the drop in the overall market and the VIX spiking as well. So I just wanted to make everyone aware that we are very close to the top. My targets, if I had to guess what the target would be, I would say based on this, the target is actually 404.30 for July 28th. So I guess that's possible if we did 1 and then we pulled back 3, 4, and 5 on July 28th. 404 is possible. But yeah, just be aware, top of the range. Get yourself ready for the next week or two, because we should, nothing is definite obviously, but we should start making our way down here. A 5-wave move, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down here to like 330 or 340 is what I see. So yeah, it's selling off after hours. So I mean, that doesn't mean anything. Doesn't always mean anything, but we'll see tomorrow, I guess. Anyway, that's the update for today. Please subscribe and like the video, and I will catch you tomorrow with another update to end the week.